Hey, what's up, steel holder? So, what's going on, my brother? This time you can see here the chant occur and very negative. Therefore, this is urgent video for my Steeler XLM holder brother. So, XLM holder, be focused. If you are a new holder, then also be focused. Okay, because this video is going to be very informative for you. A lot of holders decide that this is selling time. I think this is selling time. If sometimes Steeler going down, then a lot of holders decide to this is selling time, but this is definitely not a selling time. Okay, I explain everything in this video, so let's discuss this brand price prediction. Please, if you are new on our YouTube channel, please hope you subscribe it, click this red button, subscribe, and also like this video if you enjoyed. If you need this type more informative, then please press bell icon also. Okay, so let's discuss the live price prediction of Steeler XLM. Yes, guys, this time if you can see here, I gonna show you the last 24-hour result, and the last 24-hour result has totally gone bad. So a lot of holders message me on Instagram to what we do. We are going to sell it. Okay, we are going to sell it. Please share your opinion to what we do. So I decide to specially make video for my all holder brother. If you can see here, this time you can see here the last 24-hour result, they totally gone down. Why they totally going down? This is one reason, I think, because the all cryptocurrencies as goes down and those days, so the market cap is totally analyzed. But I think today the market cap is absolutely increasing very highly. The market cap is result is absolutely gone good, but I don't know why Steeler absolutely gone bad. Why last 24-hour result Steeler? You can see here chain occur in this type. You can see here a negative. I can't believe this too. XLM is one of the fastest cryptocurrency. Every holder, all holder, absolutely know this. So this is very fastest cryptocurrency, and they go absolutely every time they're going up. But I don't know why they go down in the last one day, in the last 24-hour result very badly. So let's see the last 7-day result. What's going on in the last previous day? Because previous days all cryptocurrencies gone down. Oh my goodness, you can see here in the previous 7 days all crypto, especially Bitcoin and StormX, these two cryptocurrencies, and the previous 7 days especially goes down. And this is two fastest cryptocurrencies. Yes, everybody knows that these two cryptocurrencies as very going moving like a rocket. But this time, if you can see here, they're going straightly and they take a very high jump. This one jump I remember when they tagged. This is very fastest and highest jump. I special make video for this already available on my YouTube channel. If you want to check out that, please take a visit on my channel. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you are new. Okay, also click the subscribe button, please. Okay, and also like. So you can see here this time the chain occur at very high. This is not a small chain. Plus 28.64%. The chain has absolutely gone good. So congratulations, my brother, they are totally gone good. So let's see to what's going on in the last 1 hour. The last 1 hour all cryptocurrency is gone very badly down. So therefore a lot of holders tell me to, I think this is selling time, but remember, this is not a selling time. Yes, this is not a financial video. Please, if you invest any cryptocurrency, then search personally, please. And this is not a promotion. You just see this time the chain occur and negative absolutely they're gone very badly down. But I hope in upcoming day they're gone absolutely, they're starting jumping like a rocket. They're jumping very highly. So wait for the good time, and please don't sell it, hold it, and wait for the end of this month. I hope they make you millionaire, they give you a good profit. So hope this video is informative for you. Please, if you enjoyed this video, please like this video and also subscribe our YouTube channel for next this type informative videos.